Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at an RV park. So I'm here at this beautiful RV park, and I just wanted to say thank you for a couple of things. One, for assisting and helping me live this life, and I wish I could have done this if I'd have known about this kind of lifestyle here, living out on the road and being out here. I think I would have done it earlier if I could have, even though there's some yahoos behind me making a bunch of noise. But I think I would have definitely done it earlier, maybe even 5 years ago, if I knew that it was even possible to do this. But with work camping and everything, it's just a really cool opportunity. But let me get along with it. We really appreciate your support. We've got to hit a milestone. We are over 2,000 subscribers. It's taken us just over 3 years to get here. Maybe it's partly because of our content. For the most part, all we're doing is throwing mud up on the wall, just trying to videotape all of our travels that we're doing and hoping something sticks. But and we think that it's working. We've definitely gotten some really good compliments about our channel and some of the things we're doing with our channel. So we've really benefited there, and while we've made some good friends along the way. This is definitely a busy little RV park that I'm at. We're actually here. You caught us up in near Mount Rushmore is where we're at. So this is a really nice park. We really enjoy our stay here. Going to be here through September this year. But I just wanted to say, wow, it's been a great journey, and it's definitely a trip of a lifetime. This trip of a lifetime is sometimes people make a trip of a lifetime if they spend a month in Europe or they do stuff like that. But we're spending almost, I guess, 4 years. We're traveling the country, the United States, and trying to see every state, and maybe we're not really trying to hit every state to say we've been to every 50 states. That's really not what we're doing. We're trying to go to see some different things like Mount Rushmore they've never seen before. Some of the others, Niagara Falls. We hope to see Old Faithful there in Wyoming next month. We definitely want to see the great sequoias, just a lot of different things. Grand Canyon. We want to see a lot of the different things that most people have seen, and we want to see those things on the bucket list. And then after that, we may try to do a Europe trip. That's kind of on our list also, to do a Europe trip and see some of the things there is to see. The Eiffel Tower, London Bridge. Of course, we do have plans to go see the London Bridge in Lake Havasu, Arizona. So we're definitely going to go see that one there. I think our travels are going to take us straight through there, to include Las Vegas. So we've got a lot of things on our agenda, some things to do and see, and basically let's try going by. One of the neat things we're going to be doing is we're going to go down through Las Vegas and Utah and do all that. So we're looking forward to that trip there, and that's coming up this fall, to include back down to Mexico and Yuma, and from there we're going to stay the winter in Yuma, and then we're going to head back up through Las Vegas. I think we were going to do California, but considering our RV gets 7 miles to the gallon and they've got the highest gas prices in the country, we're going to do everything we can to avoid putting any fuel in our RV from California. So we're not going to support their whatever the morons they have in office are doing over there. So their political people are causing all these stupid things going on in California, and I'm not going to participate. So we're just going to dash in and out as we get close and be able to see some things, and then basically be more out than in. So, but those are some of the things we got coming up. Don't have anything else planned. We may be in the process of buying ourselves a new car, because our 180,000 miles on our Jetta is it's about on its last leg. So we may be doing something with that, but who knows? We'll see what happens. But we appreciate you sticking along with us on this journey that we're taking. Definitely has been a trip of a lifetime. The only thing regrets, the only thing we really miss are friends and family. We don't get to see our close friends and family like we thought we would. Or should I say, we kind of knew we would miss them, but we didn't think we were gonna that was going to be what we missed the most from our home city of Columbus, Georgia. But it has given us a chance to see other relatives that we hadn't seen in a very long time. Like, seen some of our videos, like some I hadn't seen in over 30 years. So got a chance to meet it back up with some of them and do some things. Do some things with them and actually be a part of their life, not just fly in for one day and be gone again. So it's given us a chance to do some of that. But we definitely appreciate you all sticking along with us and along this journey. So we want you to continue to stick along with us, because we're going to be out here for at least another year and a half, I'd say, and then we'll see what goes from there. Maybe you can join us on our European trip. But let me let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because we're just out here living the coolest life.